Oh, good morning, sleepyheads. We're actually camping for once, aren't we? There he is. We have a fire. And I'm not out of bed yet because it's cold.
It's also 6:30 in the morning, and Curtis never gets up before 10 a.m.
No, my alarm's normally 9:30, but that's a circumstantial thing because I don't normally work till the afternoon. But the last couple of days I've been getting up early because work, but that's beside the point. So yeah, when I get out of my hammock, I will maybe do something. But the next thing will probably us crossing a river up the road. Goodbye.
Next campsite.
So, we're all packed up, we're out of bed, we're ready to rock and roll. Got all this nicely packed up, got the most important bit of gear, Crocs. And this is the old Krieger versus Moscow Moto. Here's more space. It don't matter. What is this? Get off my stuff. They literally do the same job, honestly. And they both look sick on the bikes. Like, that is an adventure bike. That is the best bike. Wonderful. We're going to go across some rivers that we've crossed before, so goodbye.
Alright, river crossing number 1. There's a lot less rocks on it this time. I can actually see the fucking cement that's meant to be there, so that's a good start. Oh, he's waving us across. He wants to watch. Ooh, yeah, that's slippery. Woohoo! I can't turn around and video on you, unfortunately. Ooh, Gladiator. Ooh, she looks nice and rocky. Alright. Oh, nah, she's clear as, mate. That's easy. Yeah, hang on. Oh. Oh, beautiful, mate. Almost like you know what you're doing. Almost fucking dropped my bike then, didn't you see that? It's on camera.
I didn't hear it beep.
I heard yours beep.
Lead the way.
I went first on the last two.
Yeah,
it's
but
your turn.
I'm going to follow you filming.
Oh, I'm filming.
No, you're not. Come on, mine's a better perspective.
Oh my goodness. Poor darling, you just don't want to go first. I know your game.
Yeah, you're right. Oh yeah. Picturesque as fuck.
Turn to go first this time, big fella. Hang on, let me clean this. There we go. All right, I'll follow you this time. Hopefully we can see ya. Oh yeah. Big adventure, guys.
Four-wheel drive only. We're combined with two-wheel drive. Fuck, how? Risk it for the biscuit.
Gonna do some enduro with some fucking bags on. Oh yeah. Bit squirrely there. Ah. Got a tent. This would be sick.
Man, this is pretty. This is real pretty.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, well, I guess we'll go back to the road and continue on our journey. Wow.
Can I? Oh, there's a big rock there. That's what I must have hit on the way over to make me get all squirrely. Alright, follow me to the enduro. Kinda. With bags.
So we've got two river crossings to get some campsites we're going to suss out. Because why not? So
Also very sandy.
Very sandy. We both nearly tucked the front at the same time.
We did.
Right, lead the way.
Good practice for the Simo, mate.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, she's squirrely. She's very squirrely.
Oh, God.
Wow.
That was very, very slippery.
This next one's a long boy.
That's concerning. The last one was rubbish. Hopefully this isn't as sandy. Oh, I'm here.
You good?
Yeah.
Alright. I just don't know how deep it is in that middle bit.
Fuck, yeah.
Because it like starts to go like that, the river.
Yep.
Yeah.
Do we want to walk it?
Maybe.
I'll trust your judgment from here. Sorry. If I just like...
Excuse me, sir, get out of my way.
Okay. Right, see it a bit? And by see you, I mean see Jack in a bit. Ooh. Someone hot.
Someone did poo-poos.
Someone did a poo-poo. Yeah, right. At least it's nice and shallow. It's fun. It's absolutely gorgeous out here, bud.
Yeah. So you got to go in the middle, like straight up the guts.
I do see the track here.
Yeah. You go to the left of this bit
Yeah.
and then just stay on that, basically, until you get to the end.
Fuck yeah. All right, I guess I'll give it a go.
Give it a crack. I'll wait in.
Quite soft, quite sandy.
You've done well.
Thank you.
Ooh. Almost spoke too soon. You know, we could almost just like ride up here to like along here.
I did see that.
Yeah.
That's right. I want to see you do that river crossing now that I've done it.
Let's do it.
Whoop. Best investment, but waterproof socks. That was Jack's big brain move.
I got a big brain.
Cool. I'm gonna go.
This river
Jack.
crossing's so long and such a turn that I'm actually breaking up with Curtis and Ricardo.
Yeah, literally. They're supposedly 1,200 meter range.
Yeah.
But we're like 100 meters away from each other, line of sight.
With a tree or two in the way, like.
No, I can literally see you.
Oh look, it's right there, and it was breaking up before.
Thanks, Cardo. I mean, they work great.
They do.
The range was a straight up lie.
Oh, Curdy,
Yeah?
your goggles are back here, buddy.
Oh, are they?
Yeah,
Oh, fuck.
I got them.
Thanks, man. I don't even know how I lost them.
Were they on backwards?
No.
What?
I don't know what I did.
Where were they?
I pulled them off, and I must have sat them on my lap or something.
And then just not.
I just forgot about them. Yeah, well, thanks, man.
That's all right, buddy.
I am big imbecile.
All right.
Another hot tip for adventure riding I find really useful. Enduro boots. Because they've got a bit more grip than a motocross boot. So, I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, but it sits here the whole way up to where my bike is. Look at him go. Oh, that is just gorgeous, isn't it? Really representing the 90s with the TT-R, even though it's from 06. It was built in the 90s. And he's got the pops of high vis. Absolute textbook effort, Jack.
How good is that? Who says you need a fucking 1290 to do fucking adventure, mate?
Now you need an R250 GSA with 3 hard boxes or Lone Rider panniers.
You're right.
With the big Lone Rider tent with the garage.
Yep.
Yep.
You just need to bring basically the contents of your house.
Yep.
Not 3 bags and a 250.
Well, the thing is as well, I have 40 litres of storage.
Yeah.
Some Crocs, a picnic blanket, and a little chair. And my tank bag, obviously.
Yep.
And Jack has, what, a loosely packed 18-litre bag.
2 loosely packed 18-litre
And that one's
bags.
pretty tight.
And a basically empty 30.
So yeah, exactly. That's the thing. Like, you don't need everything. To be fair, we are getting a resupply because we're meeting up with your wife this Saturday.
But I mean, when are you not going to drive through a town on a 2-day ride?
What did we have for dinner last night?
Exactly.
We literally took KFC with us.
Oh yeah, take your goggles.
Thanks, man.
That's all right. Oh, there's a swing. Oh, B-roll.
No, this is a bit.
This is a bit. Oh, my bike's going to fall over.
Probably don't let it do that.
I'm trying to.
Okay.
This ain't B-roll. This is straight up a bit.
Dude, it's made of a winch rope.
Oh, nice. Is the stick sturdy enough?
It's pine.
Please fall on your bottom.
Oh, it's rolling under my ass. That's weird. Yeah, come give it a go.
Reckon I can get some swing on it?
I think so.
With my petite boy body.
Petite.
Oh, I got a little kick-off fucking thing as well. Whee! It's very hard to swing.
It is, isn't it? Well, that's pretty as fuck. Honestly, that's the only way to put it. I don't know if this guy, the lens, I don't know if that'll be able to do it justice. Like, the road's given way there, but damn, that is beautiful. It's like a penis, but smaller. Yep. Whoop, let's not crash. Silos with man on silo. Man, that dude's old as piss. That's a big tower. Oh, there's a park, a rotunda. Huh? Oh, left here. Look, the most important shop in Portland. IGA plus liquor.